Hello everyone, it's Lisa here. I'm going to make some geode coasters today. I'm hoping that I remember how I made these last time. Here is a sample of what I made last time. And I did silver around the edges. That's the top and that's the bottom, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to try to replicate that today. So I've mixed up my resin. And today I am using art resin. Just got this in today, and so far I'm loving it. You can see there's some bubbles in here, but usually when I'm mixing resin I get a lot more bubbles than that, so pretty happy with that so far. The colors I'm going to use today, I've got this is a Pearl Effects Antique Silver. I've got Graphite Black micro powder. I'm probably going to add a couple drops of this black dye to it. And I'm using this Winter mica powder. And I've also got some glitter for the middle. Okay, so I haven't started measuring out my resin yet. So for the glitter, basically I don't measure it, I just kind of drop it in till it gets to a good consistency. Just try that. A little bit more. Yep, that looks pretty good. You want it to be fairly thick so that it hopefully will stay together and not float all over. Okay. For my graphite, yeah, I've got 30 grams of resin in there. Yeah, that's more of a gray color. I'm looking for more of a black. So. It's getting there, a little bit more. Okay. This is my Winter soap dye. Got 35 grams in this one. I got a bubble there. I don't know if you saw it. First time that's ever happened. This is my antique silver. Hi, Copper. My cat's come to help me. Hey, buddy. Just did 20 of the antique silver. Okay. So I'm gonna just start by pouring a little bit of resin in the centers. I'm just gonna torch a little bit to get some of the bubbles out. This doesn't seem very level to me. I'm gonna stick something under it. Seems like everything's running this way. Put a little popsicle stick under the side here. Okay. All right. Start with the outside. There we go. So that one that I showed you at the beginning, I took into work. I made it for somebody, but I took it into work as a sample to show somebody else. And I got 2 orders from it. So that's pretty exciting. Oops, making a mess. I like to take my little tool here, just go around the outside, just to make sure that if there's any bubbles that they get popped. It's Friday night here today. Looking forward to the weekend. Okay, next, let's go with let's try this one. Now I'm going to put this in the middle. Okay. Give it another torch. Not sure if you can see that, but the bubbles float to the top and the torch pops them. I'm going to have to make some more of this. I didn't quite make enough. Problem is, I'm not sure which one it was. I think it was this one. Yeah, that's the one it was. I don't really need to weigh it. Yep, I picked the right color. Wasn't too sure. A couple of them look quite similar. It's looking a little dark, so I'm gonna put some of this silver mica powder in. This is going to be much nicer. Already see more bubbles. Okay, here we go. Okay. Right. Oops. There we go. Right, now for some sparkle. That might be good. I'm a little concerned because there is kind of a space there between the colors, but I think I'm just gonna take my heat gun and try it on low first, see if that'll move it around a little bit. Plus the resin moves as it's curing too, so I think it's gonna be okay. I'm not that worried about it. So the heat gun also pops the bubbles. Alright, so now I'll let it sit overnight and I will post another video or add on to this video and let you know what it turned out. Thank you for watching. Take these out of the mold and see what they look like. Still a little bit soft, but okay, well that's the front. It's not exactly how I had hoped it would turn out, but let's see what the back looks like. Well, that's pretty cool. Don't know if you can see all the lines there. Kind of like it. I really actually like them. They just didn't turn out like I was trying to duplicate the other ones, but I do. They're pretty cool actually. So we'll just keep going. Dear, stuck a little bit on the bottom. There we go. All right, there's the next one. Let's flip it over. Yeah, they're quite cool. Anyways, I'm not gonna flip them all over with you because I don't have a lot of space on my iPhone right now.